Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Scrape away solids gently with a dull edge so you don't grind chocolate deeper into fibers. Once most is off, blot the area with a clean cloth. Press, don't rub, because rubbing spreads the stain. Mix 1 cup cold water with a drop of liquid detergent in a bowl. You'll use this to lift grease. Make sure to test the solution on a hidden seam to confirm color fastness, since colored clothes can bleed when wet. Now treat the stain. Apply the detergent solution to the chocolate mark, starting at the edges and moving inward so you don't enlarge the spot. Agitate gently with a soft brush or cloth for about 2 to 4 minutes. This helps break up fats and sugars. Once loosened, rinse under cold running water. Cold prevents proteins from setting. If residue remains, repeat the detergent application and agitation. Persistence matters because thorough mechanical action plus detergent removes embedded oils. Finish by soaking stubborn areas for 15 to 30 minutes in a mild vinegar solution, 1 tablespoon white vinegar per cup water, to break remaining residue. Then launder on the garment's recommended cycle with a color-safe detergent. Use cold or lukewarm water as instructed. Make sure to inspect the stain before you tumble dry, because heat will set any trace left. If the mark persists, apply a targeted stain remover and air dry. If that doesn't work, try the vinegar soak again. Repeat rather than heat setting the stain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.